Another daily stream. I grew to love them actually. Although I also always have to do some basics at the beginning. I think this one will be in an hour for now, hour and 15 minutes before I have a meeting. So let's just give a Discord, and let's just set this thing up here. I will just drop this to the Discord chat. Let's remove this one then. And yeah. Yeah, and let's just share this one as a post, yes or no? YouTube. While people are coming, that's good. I think they are. Yeah, that's my screen obviously now. You can see what I'm watching normally. AI is making everyone delusional. Yeah, probably. I think that's Coding Jesus. Maybe I should speak to Coding Jesus. Sounds like a good channel to appear. I don't really believe in Jesus, but maybe Coding Jesus will be better. Yeah, let's do that. Video, blah, 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 unexisting. Oh, is this one out? Oh, is this one out? Shit. This shouldn't be out. Videos. Is this one? Yeah, that's private. Good. Yeah, okay, yesterday. I think I was uploaded. This is basically from one of my... I don't know what is it from even. Like live streams and stuff. So I sometimes cut them down and throw them into the mix. Figma Killer. Oh, this one is popular. This one is popular. I should be talking, you know, I should be throwing some famous YouTubers into my videos, and then I get famous myself, you know. That's probably the way to do it. But I'm not always interested, like, and I would have to watch much more, and I don't really watch Primeagen anymore that much. You know, he's good. I like his videos, but sometimes I don't always watch those channels. Although, like, what did I watch today? This guy is funny, super popular. What else? Which other channel am I watching? Like, before and after React 19. That's not someone playing accordion. That's interesting. Sometimes I'm watching stuff about movies. Boyscast is good, obviously. It's a nice live podcast. I watch it often. This is politics. Yeah, I don't really... Do you have any... Except Primeagen. This is a good car, isn't it? This is a good car as well. Infinite Software Crisis. I think I was watching a bit about that. But I don't know if I'm that interested, actually. Big Loss, Action, The Rust Bros. Okay, I don't know. I didn't watch that. I didn't watch that. I didn't watch that. Yeah, okay, more or less. I think I caught up on the latest crap. So now, nothing interesting to talk about. So I can actually go back to work. Nice. So yeah, welcome guys. I can see that I think there is someone joining, or am I wrong? Let's just move this one to the side. Yeah, one person. That's good. Every one person is a treasure. Obviously, sometimes we get tens or up to 20. That's the amazing numbers. Like sometimes we just go quite low. I need to check if this video has upload. Okay, but maybe not now. I need to actually do. There's this video script. Yesterday I've generated. AI generated this thing. So, hey, welcome to Planero. This is a video. I will walk you through everything the app can do, starting from the first login. Let's jump right in. Login page. When you first arrived at Planero, you land on the login screen. That's not actually true. You can go Planero. You can sign in on with login. Yeah, I don't know. With the probably this is incorrect or not. You'll see clean to panel layout, products info on the left, and login from the right. If you're just starting, sign up, enter email password from your registration. There's also forgot password link if you need it. Once you sign in, you'll be taken straight to the app. Okay, that's nice. The first thing you will notice, the sidebar on the left. That's your main navigation. You've got deliveries, products, customers, suppliers, Kanban board, reports, and some settings. At the bottom, you'll see settings, your account, and help. Okay, no, so that's okay. Should have read what it says before. At the bottom, you see settings, your account, and help. The sidebar also collapses the icons. If you want more screen space, just click the toggle. Yeah. Products page and external import. Let's start with products, since everything else in Planero flows from here. This is your product catalog. If you are coming from a spreadsheet, which most people are, click at the Excel button in the top right area of the product table. You will see options import or export. Click import, picker opens, selects your file. Planero will read your columns, and if your headers match the expected fields, name, SKU, custom quality, it maps them automatically. If your column names are different, the column mapper lets you manually match each one. You confirm the mapping, hit import, and your entire product list is loaded in seconds. That's nice. Maybe not in seconds. The loading time depends of the amount of products. List is loaded. But you will import progress while it's uploading, it's being processed. Okay, nice. First page, that's a good beginning. Yeah, how are you guys? Is there do you like Do you find marketing as fun as I do? It's obviously like the best thing ever, yeah. Best thing ever created. Let's just put like a let's just start a poll. Is much I don't know, like I don't have idea actually. Let's just go yeah, welcome guys. Yeah, I can see that we are nicely growing. The morning one. I will just quickly ask a couple of drop a question in the chat. Oh yeah, that's a good one for yes from yesterday, basically. Where are you getting from your SaaS ideas? If you ever do, like, you know, obviously we get the ideas. Sometimes we are asking others, but obviously, like, I think it's good. I mean, yeah, it's good to build any ideas sometimes. I mean, not maybe not any ideas, but like it's good to try multiple ideas. You know, it's not like there is one great idea that will make us rich. I think we have to work on multiple things and start and you know, applying that's what we learn. So exploring the products table. You can see all the products in the table. A few things to highlight here. You can search. I feel like I can just read through that, and that's gonna be a good video anyway. Yeah, although I just have to create, maybe I will do dry run. I will record what I'm doing, and then if something, I will just keep on recording like more bits. Although I think I have to get some data. Let's see if I have any data here. So when I go to my pattern market, that's just like a website, that's some sort of presentation. I don't know what's this even. Okay, that's not, I don't need that anymore. And what else? Planner of the report. Oh, that's actually something I'll be talking about today later, which is very useful. I will probably have to read through it again in a bit. That's my wife's stuff. Oh, that's Planner, yes, fine. 11 labs. What's this?
Discover Planner customers and suppliers.
That's the lovely girl. But for now, I don't need her. This is a nice screen, obviously. I should use it in some, because it's almost showing like it's showing my app. Nice. This is, I don't know what that is even. Don't know. Planner, the easiest purchase order. What's this? Okay, this just breaks, yeah. So this is not really working. Virtual tour. Okay, that's another one.
You can import your presents a stage in your delivery process.
Oh, this is a
Each
video.
card comprehensive analytics about your delivery performance.
Okay, this is basically the same that I'm doing. So maybe I'm, you know, pricing. Okay, that's just some old stuff. Virtual tour script. Okay, that's the 10 minutes one. Should I do another one? I don't know. Let's remove those for now. Live tour video. What's this one? This is actually cool.
Within its deviceable personalization device.
Features like, you know. Okay, so that's video for tomorrow. So the question from the stuff you could build in uni after you go to uni. Okay, good. Less than you would get otherwise. Yeah, so that's 2 videos that will come tomorrow and maybe the after. I don't know, we'll see. Soon. Stripe sample code. Okay. That's video walkthrough. What's this actually?
Hey everyone, welcome to this
and explain. Okay, those are for the video. Oh, excellent. Yeah, I want it. Finally. Takes me a while to actually understand what I want to do. I can distract very easily. Okay, so this is some sort of a names. Probably those should be like names of business names, yes. Supplier, customer, name, supplier. Okay, so yes, I need some. How many items do I have here? Like 88. Okay. So now we're gonna. I just need to generate some data. JSON data. Or maybe I'll just. Okay, can I use AI for this? This is a new frontier for me, obviously. If I go to chat, let's say ChatGPT, or like Grok. I think Grok is better with files. So when I go to Grok, can I just ask it to replace those in column B with like proper names of companies? Can you replace in column B names of my spreadsheet names to be rather some entities rather than normal human names. I'll just attach this one, so it's a product export CSV. That's not the one. Planner. No, it's on desktop. Yes, Planero and Excel product export. So that's the first one. What's the difference between this one and that one? Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, so it's gonna do it as CSV. Yeah, good. That's fine. I don't know what these are actually. IDs, some sort of IDs. Okay. You can copy the entire block and paste directly into. Okay, so let's just copy the entire thing. Yeah, usually I don't really use GPTs like chat GPTs for that. I usually. Oh, okay. I think it's fine. Good. Yeah, okay. We can go with that. Yeah. So I have my products import, so now I can bring them in. And what's this products export? Okay, some other. Looks similar actually. Open Office. Maybe actually I should use this one. And maybe use it here. Yeah. Okay, we replaced that. Good. One vote, that's good. Yeah, product export, good. I'll just do this. I think I can remove this one, this one. Oh, okay, that's better actually. So product export, this one, suppliers export. Okay, let's just import that and start recording this, to be honest. So we'll see how well I can manage that. So let's go to Planero online, launch Planero. This is start a free trial. Maciej is one. Okay, Maciej. Email. Okay, Gmail. So I've got my pattern market actually. Do I? Okay. Pattern market. Yes, let's use this one. Ooh, there is so much crap. Versal. Okay, we have all our. Okay, I don't know. What's this? I don't know. Oh, I might have actually. Yes. Estimify IT. What's Estimify IT? That's obviously not my language. Oh, but that's actually from. It looks like an app that my buddy. What's his name? Don't remember actually. One of the guys that is actually, I've been talking to a couple of times. Generic AI can give ideas. What is usually... Okay, I don't know. So it's probably some sort of a service. Unsubscribe. Oh, yes, I tried that some time ago. Okay, I'll just remove all of that crap. I don't need to do this. Okay, I can register with this account. So it's what's my email here? Okay, where's my email here? How do I check my email? No. Where are you, email? Can I check it here? Inbox. No. Let's just send it to myself. Yeah. Pattern. No, I don't know it actually. I don't know my email. Gmail.com. Mail. Maciej@gmail.com. Yes. Email. Hello. Yeah, let's send it that way. Or can I check it here? Google account. Maybe it's... Oh, yeah, patternmarket22gmail.com. Okay, so let's just sign up. Should I actually be recording that? Yeah, maybe not. Oh, okay, so I wonder what happened now. So probably I need to confirm. Yes, okay, so obviously I registered. Oh, is this broken now? Oh, maybe we have to fix something here. So now we didn't get any sign up registration, unless it's a... Okay, maybe I just have to go to render or to my backend. Yeah, let's try that actually. So we backend prod, okay. So we go here and admin, yes, okay. So I need to remember now, what was my login actually to this baby? Admin, okay, maybe. Maybe this one? No. Maybe this one? Maybe this one? Maybe this one? Yeah, hello. Good to see you, my friend. How is the day? I'm trying to recover my password for my for my service. So that's actually, it turns out... Okay, let's just try again. I need 30 minutes mail. Because basically, like, when I sign up now... Okay, now. 30 minutes Mail. Maybe my app is broken actually. Maybe that's why people can't sign up. Let's just try to register, log in, sign up. Yes, this. Maciej, Łukasz. And this is an email. Create an account. So obviously there is no confirmation here. We are redirected here. Obviously, like someone doesn't know what to do now. But okay, I think I introduced the bug myself. So this is actually my fault. Yeah, did we get anything here? Yeah, I made like a yeah. That's basically me not testing everything. So I should be more precise when testing my stuff. So yeah, that's something I messed up. What is the email? Okay, I feel like I broke my app basically recently. So I need to. What happens here? I think I might need to go to. That's actually. Maybe that's the one. I think that's the one. Yes. So yes, okay, that's okay. I will have to fix that because now, yeah, it's broken. My app is broken. Yeah, okay, so there is no possibility now for people to sign up, which is a big actually problem. Let's just close this one. So now one of the things, like, because I know that this was working obviously earlier, but I actually broke it recently somewhere, which is actually on me, obviously. My silly mistake. Make sure to vote in the poll. Good to see you guys. Thanks for coming. I think we've got some new people. So yeah, where's the dismiss? No, I don't want to be paying for Google. Sorry, Google Schmoogle. Don't want to be paying for you. Hello, this is my email. Okay, so I basically have to actually log out now. So 30 minutes mail, yes. So I broke it. Yeah, I broke it recently. This was actually my upgrades, I redid my page, my front page, and I forgot to, I didn't test it, obviously. And here actually on this page, it could use a redirect back to the front page, but that's something I will have to do in a minute. I'm not gonna be paying for your stupid email. Okay, let's try again. So basically, let's just register, sign up, company name, and let's just try to use this email. Obviously here it needs to confirm that we signed up, basically, because now it just redirects. So I broke my app. And quite significantly, if I think of it, this doesn't really confirm. Obviously it doesn't send an email, so I broke it that way. I also broke that you don't have a confirmation now that it has been signed up. Okay, let's just start fixing that problems, because that's a major stuff. That's a major problems. Oh, and welcome. Good to see you guys. I think we got some new. Finally, Google is showing my live stream to people. Sometimes it's like half an hour and like before anyone gets in. Okay, so we are not really getting any emails. We are not getting any confirmation that you've been signed up. Obviously login works because I just logged in with details that I created some time ago. So yeah, let's do some. This is my fault because a couple of days ago I changed the front page and I didn't do any testing on that. What a silly boy I am. What a silly fellow. Like it's like, okay, let's just go back to product planner. That's the app, obviously, and more people. Great. But basically, okay, I have to fix the email stuff. So when you register, it needs to confirm that you've been registered. It's supposed to send an email to me. Let's see if I'm getting any errors. Actually, that's important. So let's use my console network. We'll see if anything goes here that is incorrect. That will be easier than to to track it and send and give it to AI agent, because otherwise, like, it's me guessing. Yes. So there was product planner. Is it pattern market? Oh, that's okay. Is this the email? Pattern market 22. Okay, so that's for other stuff. But let's forget about that. Let's see here. Oh, actually, let's just pin this to the right. Okay, so we're gonna see here. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna sign up, and after creating an account, you'll select a plan and receive. This is incorrect, obviously. About you will receive plan. Okay, let's just write this as a to-dos, because yeah, like when you break your app, it's good to actually then then fix it when you break it yourself. I have no one to actually blame on that, but that happens. That happens with different apps. But basically, before I start actually putting some real money, because I was actually planning today to do like a marketing. It was going swimmingly. Everything was going swimmingly. I got my report of what I should be improving, and now my potential users cannot actually sign up. That's a major one. That's a I would lose job in some companies for breaking in this bad, or maybe not. Depending what would be the yeah, good to see you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you are new. There is a poll. It's actually based on my yesterday's live stream, and I'm asking like where you usually get your SaaS ideas from, or where you could take them if you are not building SaaS yet. But obviously, that's actually something quite interesting. Like okay, so change bottom message on register. Okay, let's just do it now. So I don't need to write this. I'm just gonna change this message. Yes. After you yeah, we changed a flow. Basically, I have my multiple translations. I could change it myself here, but I will just ask my agent to also do translations. Good morning, Alex. Good to see you. I haven't seen you for a while. How are Athens those days? I broke my app. I will fix it. Obviously, we break our apps all the time. We changed a login page, and now this message doesn't make sense. We assume that okay, like it doesn't make sense. Okay, although I don't know how to change it now. We should assume that if the plan is not chosen, we should use the free plan. Shit, I don't know, like, because I want to get rid of the almost summer there. Nice. Good for you. Like here it's nice. It's like 15 degrees, but it's not summer yet. in Poland, it's a spring. It's like winter turned into spring straight away. Free plan. Yeah, let's just do that. Or yeah, then we'll have to. If someone didn't choose the plan earlier. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, let's try actually registering. So here we've got. Okay, so we've got back to subscription plans, and basically nothing really. I don't really see any errors here that I could work with. So when we sign up, I don't really see. Yeah, everything seems fine. So, okay. So let's just assume that for now we will just sign up. If you are not signed up, it will choose free plan. Otherwise, you choose the different one. But here, okay. Okay, keep it, just change the text, yes, on this one page. Let's make sure that we are using translations on this page. Well, yeah, okay, let it work on it. I'm solving the problems I'm facing and usually package them into tools. That's what I do. And most of the times, your problems are also others' problems. Yes, I think that makes sense. So what are you building now, for example? Like, what sort of problems are you solving now? This is like so we are building like micro tools, yes, micro SaaS idea, like or micro products that you just like, because like I think there's quite a lot of people now online that is, you know, they're releasing like a small product and just multiple of them. And that was actually also plan for me with Planero. I wanted to keep it small. It kind of grew slightly bigger, and now I'm just in the stage where I have to like start finding customers, and that's actually like, so I keep my Planero sort of constrained. So this is how big it's gonna stay for now. So how do you market your products as well? Because I find this actually most hard, you know. It's not really hard to build something for me, like to solve a problem, because I come out with ideas, or I have people coming out with ideas. But then the next one is probably like the bigger problem, you know, like how do you sell it? Yeah, okay, good. So now, oh, I'm on Grok. Yeah, fine. Let's go to Claude. I have some problem now with registering. After register, I get redirected to the main price page without any info that what to do, what has happened and what to do. Also, it seems like my users are not really registered. Okay, I have to actually log back into my database. This is actually I forgot the password. I can create a new super user. So this is like a Django database. I can create a super user, but I forgot the user again. It's like third time already. So I have to really, like, next time I just have to write it down, stick it to my screen, and not show it to everyone, obviously, because I keep on showing things to people, which I shouldn't, obviously. So actually I was referring to internal tools, not SaaS. Internal things in my company. Oh, that's nice, actually. So you just build tools within. Yeah, that makes sense as well. But what if you wanted to actually release it as real product? Because like potentially, if it's useful for within your company, you could just package it and just, you know, send it to the market. Let's see if people are interested. Obviously, this is something that I, you know, haven't been doing as well. I just started slowly. Now I'm just starting slowly to start throwing my businesses, my ideas, just building them and just releasing them to the market. I think that's a new thing for me, obviously. And yeah, it's not really easy. Yeah. Like I find actually myself, I find building a product quite easy, but selling it now, it's like way harder. And I don't want to be doing cold calling just not this. Please don't make me do cold calls. Maybe I should actually, but you know, it's something I don't really enjoy, and I would rather just spend more time on videos or something. Now I have clear picture. UX, after filling the registration form, the user is redirected to the top of the long managing pricing page. In now identification, they need to scroll down and pick a plan. Not registered. Users are only created in database after Stripe checkout completed. The fix, add the prominent registration process banner on pricing page and auto scroll to the pricing section then coming from the registration. Okay, maybe, yeah, maybe sounds like a good idea. So what are you working on now, Claude? What are you making for me? That's my question now. What's this? Is this putty or 10 terminals host process is unresponsive? Okay, let me just actually try to get to my database. This is actually more important now, maybe even. So, okay, let's just close this. I'm just opening like multiple tabs. Maybe this one. Yeah, no, I can't get into my database. Shit. Okay, I will actually, I can do it. I can create a new one. Render.com. And now I can go to product planner, database here. And there was something called, nice. Okay, no, that's not the one. Shell. Yeah, I can go to shell and do, what was it? Python, manage Python, create super user, something like that. Yes. Python, manage Py, create super user. Super user. So now I can finally get back to my database. And this one I will write down on a paper and stick it somewhere to the screen, because otherwise, oh, you have a deprecated setting. Okay, that's a good one to remember. We will actually write it down, notepad, and deal with that bit later. Yes. Yeah, good to see you. Thanks guys for coming. Good to see you. If you didn't subscribe, the number is there. That will grow when you subscribe. That's a nice one. Yeah, if you are building any tools and you want to show them to the world, I have a, like, currently I don't have a I think I will actually launch a weekly podcast where people can just, you know, showcase their stuff, because I think like those videos are quite fun for me to make, and they seem to be quite popular as well. Okay, let's just write this down. Yep. Market 22. Okay, that's the email, and super user created course successfully. Yay! Let's get back to the database. Oh. Okay. Why didn't I show that? Okay, I will have to cut it out. I'm an idiot sometimes. Yeah, I didn't show the password. I showed the login, which probably I shouldn't really show that as well. Is it sending to the? No, it's not sending to the email now. Pricing auto scroll. There's a, okay, I'll have to check if this flow now is better than it was. Now let's go to the database and log in. Okay, that's fine. I can do that. One less window, and I'm just getting lost all the time. Oh, did I close the database? Oh, okay, so that's dashboard. Good. Okay, so here I have my backend, and I will go to and I will log into my Yep. Okay, so I'm back to my database, and I've got, this is like access to everything, which is pretty good. Okay, so those are users. I love Dick. Obviously, there is one of my lovely best users. And now, that's the date. Dates joined. Oh, so I got actually super. Okay, so I actually created. No, I haven't created. So this is. So on 21st, I still could register. 21st of March, it was still working. Good. Okay. Someone. Is this a real website? Looks better. That's probably not real website. That's just me testing stuff. Company ghostly cells. Okay, so basically I can create a username. That's okay. So I have got my super admin, which I probably shouldn't show a username because it's silly. Someone can break into it if he. But I think there is actually a test, that is checking if you didn't really try to log in for too many times. So now that I'm there, I'm in the database, which is very useful for me. My AI agent has created a flow for me when I register, yes? So what I can do with that, I can check if when we register, okay, so let's see what it does. When the plan is pre-selected, the registration form, sorted data obsession, silently registered, redirected to pricing page, long marketing page. With no scroll position, changes made. Pricing page auto scroll when there is a pending registration data and the plans finishing. Okay. Sales for new banner, CSS translate. Okay, let's see how it works exactly now. So I will just run this thing now. Where's my console? Hi. Hey, terminal, where are you? Can I do anything to show my terminal? Come on, you son of a. Okay. So it created this file or what? No. Expected comma. Oh yeah, obviously. This is an object, yes. So now, yes. Is loading registered data. Okay, I don't know if I like that change, to be honest. Let's see. Cannot find module. Pricing page CSS, but like I'm sure there is one there. So how come you cannot find the module pricing page CSS when it's just there? Pricing, it's here. I can see it here. Pricing page. Yes, I can see it. Why can't you see it? Huh? Image with fallback. That's probably unnecessary now. Looks like it. Private screens. This is a long page, isn't it? Pixels and logic, that's fine. Okay. Where's my terminal? Can't really. What's wrong with terminals? Let's just restart this project. Terminal. So cd. Good. Okay. Backend. And Python manage by run server. Good. And now we do cd web pnpm dev. Yeah, let's see if now I can register. Oops. Or maybe not. Maybe it's actually showing an error. Yeah, let's just have it. It's obviously, it added some translations. Yeah. Fix this, please. How nice I am. Fix this, please. Yeah, obviously like that. Okay. Side effect. Could not find a module of type declared side. Or maybe it's import on us. Is it? No. No, we just import CSS like that normally. Not my favorite way to do it, but I will just stick to that. Okay, are we fixed? Terminal. Okay, so this is front end. Is this working? Localhost 3000. Now this. Yeah, so basically we don't have a. Let's just go to decay translations. Yes, so here. Is it fine now? Oh, good. Yeah, fixed. So when we register, let's see what's happening now. So if I choose this plan, and here, pattern market for 22, we create an account, and I have to check step 2. Your details are saved. Select plan below, create account. Okay, but I selected that earlier. No, it's broken. Okay, this is not the fix. My friend. How did you get the idea for your current project? This is actually something I spoke to my friend who has a business that is doing that kind of stuff. You know, so he's what is he doing basically? My friend he's a like intermediate company that he what do you know, what do you call them, like he's a middleman basically. He orders from one place and he sends to other place, and he has a small business that, you know, he's running, and in what there's actually him and, you know, maybe a person or two helping him sometimes, and he was using Excel for so far, you know, and he was saying that this is maybe not optimal. He was trying actually multiple options, like main like popular ones, like either for managing products like Asana or Trello or something, or you know, some main corporate ones like Google. Like there's one from Microsoft, I think there's Monday.com that I think he might have tried and stuff. And basically he was saying like, yeah, I need something simple, but not an Excel, you know. So we started hacking on it, and I kind of progressed to the point where I have an app here released that is serving his problems. As Alex said, that, you know, if you have a problem, other people might have the same problem. but also like what I wanted to achieve here is actually not to build anything huge, you know. So this app is actually quite limited. So I just, you know, I built it to like a micro SaaS idea that took me a couple of months, but like maybe 3 months, you know. And what I'm not going to actually, you know, I'm gonna fix some problems that I have now, but basically I'm not gonna spend much more time on it. And now I will actually start advertising it. Advertising it. So, you know, I will use Google AdWords to send people to this website, the businesses that might be interested, but it's very small niche, you know, because it's a small app. The niche of people that will be using it is not really that high, you know, the amount of people that are going to use it. There's not that many of them, so I just have to reach them basically. And you know, and my success point is when I get, you know, I think like when I get 10, I know this is not much. There's a dick sucker. Is this like my client or something? If I get 10, it's actually paying for itself and making a bit on top of it. So that would be good. You know, if I get like 200 or like 200s, this is actually paying my corporate salary. So that would be great, you know. If I get with this, if I get to 1,000, I will probably hire people. Or if I get to 200, beyond 200 users, you know, like paying users, then I will actually start hiring people and maybe building some more functions here, you know, maybe expanding on that while building also some other products. So I think I would like to that would be great. I don't think like I will actually get rich of this app. I don't think it's because it's small and like I don't really see that much market unless I start actually expanding it much more. But this is something I don't want to do now. And and for some reason I can't really get that, you know. When I don't like that flow. Now the problem, let's just do plan, is that I have initially selected one of the plans and it wasn't used when I registered. Then when I did, it redirected me to pricing page plans section, and when I click on one of the plans, I'm getting this error. In my opinion, it should remember my choice from before registering, and if I didn't choose anything before, it should by default register as a free user. Yeah, fix that, AI. I broke it, you fixed it. Basically, it was working very good, actually, the registration and stuff. But I kind of changed the flow. I changed the flow entirely because it was introducing too many steps, too many clicks for the user, and it didn't really make sense to me. So I just started redoing. Yeah, okay. So thanks for your it's nice. Thank you. Good luck, bro. Thanks for centric pants. Thanks for your for your good lucks, and good luck to you, my friend. Are you building anything yourself? Are you building anything except the channel where you have some game, don't you? Or no, that was 4 years ago. Okay. So yeah, good to see you, Centric Pants. Oh, and I can see a bunch of people joining. Nice to see you guys. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. I like this number to go up. When you click it, it will actually just animate up, which is obviously amazing animation. Oh, and great checkout session. Oh, also, like I need to pass this to it. Yeah. And I have a meeting actually in 10 minutes. I will actually finish in like 5 minutes. If I don't really finish this, I will be back later to work on it more. But yeah, like what I'm actually saying, what I'm trying to do with my live streams is not only just build my own stuff, which is great. I'm also inviting people on Discord not this one. Discord to join a project that I will be running from April maybe. But I will not be building. I will bring people together. I will try to get them to go from start to finish and release it. And then, if they get any money, it will be shared between them mostly, and I take 1%. But yeah, basically the idea is that, I would like to start building with some people. They would be building it, obviously, mostly themselves. But the benefits they would actually get from it, hopefully, and I would get some benefits as well. I'm not like, I would be talking about this project on my channel. We would be doing maybe, weekly updates, like maybe even online like this, and they would be showing what they're building, how they're progressing, what are the problems with that kind of normal standard, maybe not that standard, but like something close to normal Scrum flow, and you might say Scrum is not great, it's annoying, blah blah blah, and I agree mostly with that. It's not optimal, but I think like it kind of works, it's slow but it works. So I think like that would help actually to get this project all the way from start to finish, which would probably be the best. But so I would be like project managing it a bit, but I would hope actually that there would be a project manager that would sign up to the project, I think, or one of the guys would actually do some of that work. I would be just helping them to clean up the problems basically and get them like, make sure that they can progress easily, and then we would build it and release it and maybe sell it. I don't know. That would be, yeah, we would see basically. I don't know, like it's always, when you release products, it's always unknown, like you have to also do marketing to sell them and stuff like that. But we could actually build that kind of project, and I think that's a good idea, and they would be talking about. But also, like, sometimes I do live streams where people are actually showing their own apps, and I'm in love with this format. I think like it's brilliant. I think it's a brilliant format where people come and show what they built, and they promote it themselves. I'm trying to actually promote it on my live streams. I get sometimes like, but like, for example, now I got like 2 to 4 people on the live stream, and sometimes when they are showing, there's like 10s or 20s, and the videos are then watched by many people. So it seems like they're very popular, those videos. That's why it seems like I probably should be doing more of them. So if you actually have some ideas, if you are building something that you would like to show to the world, let's call it. It's a very, very small world, but still, it's nice to talk about those. Then let me know. Join the Discord. You can let me know that you are interested. I will send you an invite, and we will actually do something together. And I think in the future, like if I get like more viewers, or maybe I should start doing it now. Maybe I will actually start doing it earlier. I want to make a podcast where people are actually presenting their jobs, and then I would actually invite some like industry experts. So I would be like a judge, and there would be like maybe marketing person, a judge, maybe some business person, and maybe UX person, and we would be like doing judging, and then people would be voting on the best one for the week or for the month. I don't know, depending how often this would happen. I think that would be a great format. would be fun to actually do that. So yeah, if you are interested in that, let me know. I will fit you in, I hope, so we can show your app. And then if it's popular, I will actually introduce that kind of idea. Yeah. But yeah, as I was saying, I will have to finish in a minute. So let's do it now. Actually, I will have a coffee as well, just after this meeting, and after this live stream, and I'm having a meeting quite soon. So that will be good to, so I might actually, basically I will be talking about marketing for this app, and I will be showing results, so I will actually put some couple of hundreds of dollars equivalent, like in Polish zlotys, into that, and I will be talking about it if I get any success. And if I get any failure, I will also be talking about it. So yeah, thanks for coming, and see you later, guys.